All right, good morning. So today what we got to do is chart 6, 7, and 8. We are going to do those just the sounds together. We are going to do some special sounds that have the ER, IR, and UR, and circling some special sounds and marking vowels. So let's go ahead and get started. Everybody's sitting up nice and straight. Follow along as we go through just our sound only. E, O, I, H, O, R, Very good. That went extremely well. I like that. That's good stuff. Awesome. And third, four, ow, o, oi, Very good. Very good job today. Okay. Well, I'm not sure what that's up there for, but let me just erase that little mark up there. And here we have our special sound ER, like in the word verse. Okay? Let's do this one together. In verse, ER. Very good. Now, we're going to do the three special sounds that all say the same sound of This is another one of those R-controlled special sounds. So now in this one, every time we see the ER together, our special sound, it's going to say the sound. But there is not a rule that tells me when I hear inside of a word, if I should use ER, UR, or IR. So this is what makes this group of special sounds kind of hard. We have to kind of memorize these words together. Okay? But the point is here is when we see an E and an R together, we know it's going to make the sound Good. So let's take a look at some words. If you can read them with me, sound them out as we go, and hear the sound in these words. Butter, Now, let's take a look at two words that we have up here. My ER, special sound. I've got an SW, special sound. What do I do with this E that's at the end? Skylar, you know?
Circle it.
Do what?
Circle it.
Why would I circle it?
Because it's supposed to be at the end.
Okay, if we're going to circle that E at the end, it means it's going to say the sound E at the end. Remember what that word was? Swerve. Listen as I say it. See if you can get what I'm trying to get you to do. Swerve. I just ended right there with that beat. So what's the deal with this letter E at the end, Jacob?
Put the stamp on it.
I'm going to scratch it because it is silent. So do you see what I did right there? Swerve. This did not even make a single sound, so it is silent. I'm not going to mark that short. If I mark that short, then you're telling me that this E says the at sound, and this is not the word swerve at. It's swerve. That E is silent. Okay, let's try that again underneath with this word. In my word here, I got an ER. Herb. What's the deal with the E here?
Silent.
Silent. Serve. It's not saying the E sound is a special sound. It is not saying F like a short E. It is silent. So we cross it off. Okay?
What's a swerve?
Swerve is when I go around something to miss
He
it.
doesn't even know.
Okay?
Okay.
Perch is a kind of a fish. Very good kind of fish. All right. Well, a perch can be a fish, and another word, perch, can also mean something that a bird sits on.
But it doesn't mean buy something.
That's a purchase.
Oh.
Ah, good thinking. And we're also going to spell that one with this UR sound. We'll see if it's on the back of this card or not. All right, now we've got UR, and UR is also going to say the same thing. Okay? It's going to say And our clue word is going to be the word nurse. So it's going to say as in nurse. Ready? In nurse, UR. So let's take a look at another group of words. And we've got URs in these, and they're going to say So let's do them together. Turn, curve, silent E, right? Curve, disturb, curl, purr, purse, silent E. Okay? To disturb means to bother.
Like when you want privacy in the bathroom or something. Oh.
Absolutely. Do not disturb. Okay. 5,
Like when you're taking
4, 3. Just like when we're taking a test, we'll hang up a sign outside the door sometimes that says do not disturb. When we take our SATs, you'll see that word. All right, our next special sound is another and this time it's IR. In bird. Ready? Let's say it together. In bird, IR. And some words that have the with the IR are dirt, firm, stir, swirl, purse, shirt. Good. All right. Now, for those of you that are watching us at home, go ahead and copy down these words, circle your special sounds and mark your vowels, and then come back and join us when you're finished and check your work. All right. Did you check your work at home and see if you've got the same answers as we do? Hope you got yours all done up. And now we're all going to read those words together. We've got them marked up so that we can sound out those words and show our brain how to sound things out when we come across words we might not know. Okay, so let's go down this row with the ER sound first. Read with me. Verse, swerve. Very good. No, don't do that because you're going to end up putting a U at the end of that word when you spell it. You don't want to do that. It's swerve. Stop right at the V sound. Okay, here we go in the UR category. Hurt, turn, curl, and over here under IR, third, dirt, shirt. Very good. Okay, let's see what's next. It is seat work time. So take out your seat work folders, open them up, and take this page out. Okay, let's take a look at the directions for our paper. Number 1 says to write a rhyming word. Words that rhyme end with the same letters? Sound. Thank you very much. It can be the same letters, but not always. We're learning that some special sounds can have different letters but make the same sound. Okay, number 2 tells us to choose the word to finish each sentence. Please make sure you read the sentence after you write your word. And when you're finished with your paper, you need to go back again and look at it and make sure that it is finished completely before you put it in your folder. I'm getting papers turned in way too many times that say incomplete because you turned in a paper that wasn't done. So go back and make sure that you have everything done correctly. Okay, slide that paper down inside your folder. All right, let's take a look at the next paper. Everyone has their name and number on the paper.
Yeah.
Good. Directions to number 1. Mark the circle under the word in each row that tells about the picture. That means this picture right here, you're going to pick one word in this row, one word in this row, and one word in this row that tells me something about the picture. Like the first one, the word choices are chicks, horse, pig. The circle is colored under horse because there's a horse up there. Is there a chick in the picture?
No.
Is there a pig?
No.
No, but there is a horse. Okay, same thing on the other side with the picture right here. You need to choose something in each row that is going to tell me about that picture. Okay? Now, on this next part, it says to write the alphabet from A to Z. You need to start here. And in each one of these little sections is a place for the letter. A, B, C. In order, when you get down here to this end, you need to start back over here. Lowercase only. If there are uppercase letters, they will be marked wrong. I am going to say it one more time. Listen carefully. Lowercase letters only. Are there any questions about this paper right here?
No.
Awesome. Let's put it away. Close up your C word folders.